S210E-40R Blast Wheel Change Procedure. To begin the blast wheel change procedure, you will first need a new IMPACTS America's blast wheel kit, M13 and M17 wrenches, M8 Allen wrench, and a hammer or wood block to block wheel. Begin by removing the urethane feed spout. Then loosen the clamps on the sides of the control cage. Remove the control cage from the blast wheel and discard it. Then loosen and remove the 4 nuts that hold the blast housing cover. Remove the cover. Block the blast wheel from moving by wedging hammerhead or wood block between housing and blast wheel. Use the M8 Allen wrench to loosen the cap screw that holds blast wheel to wheel hub. Remove old blast wheel and discard it. On the back of the new blast wheel, locate the 3 notches. These notches are to line up with the 3 pins on the blast wheel hub. Place the new blast wheel on the hub and rotate it until you feel the pins and notches line up and blast wheel sits squarely on the hub. Insert cap screw into blast wheel center and tighten using the M8 Allen wrench. Use the hammerhead or wood block to lock wheel in place so as to fully tighten the wheel nut. Replace blast wheel housing cover and replace nuts. Tighten the nuts fully, but do not over tighten, as the studs can be broken off if too much pressure is applied. Install new control cage and note the position should be with 2 notches at the 830 and 1030 position. Also, the blast wheel control cage should be centered in the opening. Do this by holding the control cage in the center of the opening and placing clamps onto cage and hand tighten the nuts. Once it is held in place, completely tighten with wrench. Tighten the nuts fully, but do not over tighten, as the studs can be broken off if too much pressure is applied. Attach red rubber coupling to the urethane feed spout. Next, replace the rubber feed spout and roll red rubber coupling up to seal gap between feed spout and control valve.